Hey guys, welcome to Misha's Corner. These are the amazing ingredients you'll need for the super delicious cheesy garlic bread. I have butter, I have cheese, I have a baguette back there. Just get whatever's on sale or what looks good in your supermarket. I have some chopped up scallions and parsley right there and some granulated garlic. Don't judge me. Listen, I thought I had some fresh garlic in the house. It wasn't there. Granulated garlic is super delicious and definitely the flavor comes through. But you already know, make sure you check out my description box for everything you may need. So to my softened butter, I'm going to add the chopped up parsley and scallions, the cheese, the granulated garlic, the mozzarella, some spicy girl for seasoning, and you're going to mix this up nice and lovely. And the smell of it, first of all, there's a difference between granulated garlic and garlic powder. Use granulated garlic if you don't have fresh garlic in your home. Okay? But anyway, this is how it looks. And now I'm going to do Mission Impossible. And I'm going to take y'all with me. Okay? Now, y'all, when I got this bread, I'm like, oh, this is nothing. I'm going to just slice it and keep it moving. Y'all, this was the hardest thing for me to slice in a long time. I was like, listen, I gotta cut this thing in half because it was just way too long. And then when it was time for me to, cut it open, I was like, man, I struggled. It wasn't even a knife. The bread was super hard. I think this is more of like a soup bread versus like, for, garlic bread. But it turned out great. Once it was cooked, it was good to go. The texture and everything was totally different once it was cooked. So now I'm going to smear a healthy smear of this cheesy, buttery mixture all over the bread. Now, I know it looks like tons and tons, and it's a lot, but you also got to remember it's a lot of cheese and parsley and everything in here. So every single thing you see on here is not just straight up butter. So now I'm going to pop it into my oven, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Also, this is the butter I had left over. So like I said, as you can see, I didn't use the entire thing. And this was quite a bit of bread. So this is how it looks, about 15 minutes or so. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't walk away too far. And it's just so golden, delicious. It smells amazing. This will be great as to, you could dip it in soup or chop it up into a Caesar or a Cobb salad. It'll be like little cheesy bites, mixed up in your salad. It's a few ways you could use it. So you could straight up eat it just like this, with some pasta, some spaghetti. It will be amazing in there. And yeah, so this was so easy to make. Make sure you check out my description box for any questions you may have. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.